Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are very welcome. In today's video, we are going to talk about why your channels are not getting views, especially if you are a beginner. I will explain the common mistakes beginners make and what you should do instead. First of all, I want you to understand that low views are normal. Every big YouTuber you see today started with 0 subscribers and 0 views. YouTube does not push new channels immediately. It first needs to understand who your channel is for and what your content is about. So if your channel is not getting views, it does not mean that you are doing something wrong. It just means that you are still new. So now let's get into the mistakes that the new YouTubers make, especially new to YouTubers make, and what you should do. One reason why your channel is not getting views is because there is no clear topic. You are not giving clear topic in your channel. Why? One, for example, you are posting motivation today. Tomorrow, you are posting comedy. Next day, you are posting dance. So your channel is not having one goal. Your channel is not having one topic. So one of these is the mistake some content creators make. So when you do this, YouTube get confused. They don't know what your channel is all about. You need to choose one topic and stick to it. When YouTube understand what your channel is about, it knows who to push your videos to. Another mistake is posting randomly. Some beginners post today, disappear for 1 month and come back again to post. YouTube prefers consistency. You don't need to post every day. But you need to set a schedule. You need to have a particular time you post your video. So, and you also need to plan on how you are going to be consistent in posting your videos. Consistency builds trust with YouTube and with views. Mistake number 3, waiting for perfection. Many people are still waiting to post their knowledge, their talent, because they want to be perfect. This is what some people are still doing. They say that my camera is not good, my voice is not good, my editing is not professional, and I am not beautiful. And what am I going to give value to? I say nobody's going to watch me. But perfection is not required. People connect with honesty, clarity, and usefulness. Your videos don't need to be perfect. They need to be helping people. Start where you are and improve with time. Mistake number 4, weak titles and thumbnails. Another reason why your videos are not getting views is because of weak titles and thumbnails. If people don't click your video, YouTube will not promote it. Your title should be clear and solve a problem. Your thumbnail should have big text, be simple, be easy to understand. Your thumbnail should have big text. Let your thumbnail, when you're making your thumbnail, it should have big text. Let it be big. It should be simple and easy to understand. Let people be able, when they read this thumbnail, they have this understanding of, okay, when I'm watching this is what this video is going to help me. Even a good video can fail if the thumbnail and the title is not clear. Mistake number 5, quitting too early. This is one of the biggest mistakes of all. Many people quit too early. They upload 3 videos, 5 videos, 6 videos, then they give up. YouTube growth takes time. Most big channels you see today, you admire today, do not grow until they are 30, 40 videos. The people who succeed are the ones who kept going. If you are feeling discouraged, I want you to know that your channel is not failing. You are just learning. Every video you upload is practice. Every mistake is progress. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Keep uploading, keep improving, keep believing. If this video helps you, please like this video, subscribe and share for more YouTube group tips for beginners. And comment below, I won't quit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.